Welcome to our channel. Now please welcome Takumi CK and his super cool partner, KB.
What is up, everyone? I am CK.
Yo, it is KM. My dear CK, what in the world is going on with your screen today? It looks like a New York City subway map drawn by a drunk spider. It is so messy, my eyes are going crossed.
Haha, KM! That is a brilliant comparison. This isn't a spider's masterpiece. It is our star of the show today. A 4-in-1 Super TT's workflow. Lately, new TDS nodes have been popping up like mushrooms after rain, each one more powerful than the last. I've integrated the 4 most practical ones.
4-in-1 sounds like a shampoo commercial. So you are telling me I don't have to listen to those emotionless robots reading scripts anymore, right? I am so tired of it. My ears are about to fall off.
Exactly. We're saying goodbye to those monotonous voices. This workflow is designed to be a one-stop solution, saving everyone the trouble of searching and piecing things together. First, let's look at our first core weapon, Funchue Comfui Easy Index TTS2 ***.
Easy Index. The name sounds friendly. What are its superpowers?
Its superpower is emotion fusion. It packages all the complicated stuff like timbre, emotion reference audio, and emotion vectors. But the coolest part is that it lets you add natural pauses in the dialogue. See, you just type -0.5s, like this, and the AI will pause for half a second between sentences.
Oh my god, a shut up command for AI. This feature is amazing, you know. My uncle could really use this during Thanksgiving dinner. It is practically a lifesaver for family harmony.
Laughs, maybe in the future. Next up are the second and third. They're like brothers, Fireits and Fireits ****. Fireits is great at high-quality emotional expression, perfect for interactive chats or podcasts. And Fireits 2 is an absolute monster at voice cloning. The results are scarily realistic.
A monster? How scary. Will it call me in the middle of the night, imitating my voice to chat with my cat?
Haha, something like that. If you close your eyes and listen to the dialogue it generates, you'd swear it is a real person. Let's listen to the official example.
如果你早就听腻了那种千篇一律的 AI 声音，又嫌别的，
会发现哇，对这个价格真的是很高呀，都是卖$35、$40，甚至一个手机壳就是$25。
一步一步发展到现在的，还要聊一聊他的粉丝们听到这个消息之后有什么样的反应。
I put all the workflows on Running Hub, so you no longer have to worry about environment configurations and dependency conflicts. Use the invitation link below my video to sign up and get 1,000 computing points directly, plus another 100 points for logging in daily. That is more than enough to run this cinematic video. Just click the link, one-click start, and all the complicated setups are handled for you, letting you spend your time on creation, not fighting with code.
Wow, sounds great. What about the last one? Don't tell me it can write the script for me.
Not quite, but it is still very useful. The last one is a utility tool called ****waveform. It can turn your audio into those cool pulsating visual waveform animations. If your video screen is a bit plain, using this to fill the space instantly ups its cool factor.
Awesome. I can finally let people see my beautiful voice. I've been ready for my debut. Cut the chatter. Show us how this spiderweb works.
You got it, everyone. Buckle up. This pro is about to take off. Alright, let's look at this workflow. On the left is our input area, where you can load the reference audio for character 1 and character 2. And there is also one specifically for controlling emotion. Next, look at this disable switch panel. I've made all 4 main function modules into switches, so you can just turn on the one you want to use, which is very convenient. For instance, if we want to demonstrate multi-person dialogue now, we'll turn on the Index TTS multi-person conversation sounds option. Then comes the most crucial part, the prompt text area. Look at the format here. Phi-S1 is followed by what the first person says, and Phi-S2 is for the second person. Note that the S here must be lowercase, absolutely not uppercases, or it won't recognize it. If you want to add a pause in the dialogue, just use the -0.5s format, as I mentioned. will be connected to different TTS modules, like Index 2, where you can set parameters like temperature and talk. The official recommendation for a single speaker is 0.9 and 30. But for dual dialogue, I've found that 0.7 and 20 work better, making the voice more natural. As for the Index TTS2 node, besides the regular inputs, it has an emotions input port, which can be connected to an emotion control module to give the voice feelings like happiness, anger, sadness, and joy. See, the whole process is like this. From input to processing to the final audio output, the logic is very clear. Now, let's listen to the results of my tests.
觉得我们离真正的 AI 导演还差最后一步，005 SSE 哦 ，Kimi 你的胃口越来越大了啊，说来听听。
但我感觉我们离真正的 Time AI 导演 Kappa 还差最后一步。
上次那个多场景转场的 Voice 工作流已经够让我惊叹了，但我感觉我们离真正的 AI 导演还差。
但我感觉我们离真正的 AI 导演还差最后一步。
哦 ，K-Me， 你的胃口越来越大了啊！说来听听，这最后一步是什么？难道你想让 AI 给你？
感觉我们离真正的 AI 导演还差最后一步。
哦 ，KB， 你的胃口越来越大了啊！说来听听，这最后一步是什么？难道你想让 AI 给你写剧本吗？
经常为了一两个依赖冲突搞掉半天创作时间，自从用了 Running Hub， 这些烦恼都没了。Wow, it really does sound like real people talking. The workflow looks complicated, but after your breakdown, it seems like even I could handle it. So, to sum it up in the future, not only can we make AI talk, but we can also direct its tone when it pauses, and even make it look cool.
K-Me, you've summed it up perfectly. That is exactly it. This workflow is all about giving creativity back to the user, making technology a tool for our expression, not an obstacle.
I get it. We're one step closer to being true. Directors, I can't wait to have AI write a script for me.
Haha, that is exactly what we're working towards. All right, everyone, that is all for today's sharing. Go ahead and try out this powerful workflow.
Thanks to CK&KM for the wonderful explanation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Can you feel it?